Okay, so Abang Shah here.
No.
This is another video from the Porsche World Road Show, and I'm behind the wheel of a 911 Turbo S Cabriolet, but we have to drive it our roof up, and we're gonna try with and without launch control.
Yeah,
right?
now is without.
Okay,
yeah.
so you coach me, so sekarang macam mana?
So yep, the same. Left foot on the brake.
Okay.
Okay, put on D.
Sekarang sudah sport mode.
Yep. Okay.
Alright.
Then pull on the gas all the way.
Full on the gas all the way.
When I say go, just off your brake.
Okay. Full on the gas all the way,
Yep. Pull on the gas. Ready and go.
What?
And brake.
It was 117 kilometers per hour when I stepped on the brakes.
Yep.
All right. So now we are going back. Now, today, right? This car have been doing this exercise the whole time.
Yep. Same
How
yesterday.
many? Yesterday.
Yes.
So how many journeys lanya this car already?
Okay. So one group is about 8. So we got 5 group per day.
40.
40. So and this is another half. This is like 28 group.
Usually, right, a lot of cars that we try, after 510 launch control, dia orang sudah kena rest mode,
got the,
right?
The lights on lah.
Okay.
So now put on Sport Plus.
Sport Plus. Sport Plus. All right.
Okay, same sequence.
Same sequence.
Yep. Left foot on brake.
Brake.
Yep. Ready?
Okay.
Okay. Full on the gas and go. Yeah. Perfect, buddy.
Okay.
Done.
The acceleration is more intense, but still okay lah. We only managed. I only saw 117 on the speedometer.
Yeah.
Right. I think we stepped on the brakes at about here.
Yep.
Here.
Yeah.
All right. It's less than 50 meters, right?
Yes. About roughly.
Okay.
When we do a measurement, about 45 to 50.
Okay. All right. So back to the starting line.
Yep, starting line.
And next driver.
Next driver.
Okay. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy, yeah.
All right. So, man, wow, this car take what 40-50 over launch controls and still does not meet the beat.
Yep.
What the... Okay, so what I'm going to do now is that distance. I'm going to walk that distance and show you how ridiculously short a distance it takes for a 911 Turbo S to 120 kilometers per hour. Okay, so here, okay, this is where the car is. So now I move forward, right? So I take a step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Somebody's getting in there. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Now it'll be interesting to see whether I reach that spot first or whether the new driver reached there first. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 100. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So the distance it took for a 911 Turbo S to go from 0 to more than 100 kilometers per hour is the same distance. It's basically 100 footsteps. Isn't that crazy? Now let's see whether that car is going again. It's crazy. This is crazy. Okay, our next exercise is this. The Boxer, yeah. Spider RS. Oi, ingatkan manual.
Okay. Manual tak boleh. Banyak orang tak boleh bawa manual. Kita bawa kereta manual semua tak boleh bawa nanti.
Alright, okay.
Okay. Kita drive. Okay, Alon.
Okay.
Alright. Just the practice run, just jalan, relax, tengok the route first. So try to have the gauge judgement, yeah. Okay, go.
Okay.
Right, go. Okay, go. Second gear is perfect, yeah. First gear is too hot.
Yeah.
Third gear is too low.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
So ini masuk belah mana?
Masuk sini kanan. Brake. Brake. Always brake.
Sini.
Then quick U-turn to the left.
Right.
And then as you unwind the wheel, accelerate hard.
Accelerate hard.
To the right, to the left. Okay. Try to lessen the angle. The trick is tayar depan sampai je, turn. Or nose depan sampai, turn. Okay. And then you accelerate a bit. And you brake hard.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
This is the route. Okay. Kiri buat U-turn.
Okay.
Because you've done the slalom, cuma dia punya pattern kadang-kadang lain kan.
Kena faham
dia punya layout. Kalau ni macam gymkhana test semua macam tu.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. At the word go nanti I bagi countdown ya.
Okay.
Stop first.
Okay.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Aggressive sikit. That's it. Control aggression. That's it. Control aggression. To the right. Now brake hard. Sabar. Wait on the gas. Now you gas. That's it. You have to be patient on the gas pedal. Okay, nice and smooth. Constant. Don't swing the car so much.
Okay.
Lesser steering angle. Good. Now accelerate. Brake hard. That's it. Good. Okay,
Alright.
Forward, left. Okay, make a U-turn. Make a U-turn. Into here.
Okay.
Turn the car. Okay, one more run, huh?
Okay.
Alright, stand by. Okay, brake, wait. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. Okay, constant speed, go. Constant speed, go. Gas, constant speed. Go on, constant speed, go. Gas, brake, U-turn. Patient on the gas, Now gas. Alright, bit more gas. Control, constant speed now. Try to get constant speed. Okay, constant speed. There we go. Constant speed. To the right. Gas. Brake hard. Good job.
Wah.
Move forward to the left. Make a
Nice.
U-turn, park the car. That was good.
Alright.
Excellent.
Nanti tengok timing ah.
Tengok timing.